Hey boss, guys, in this video I'm just going to be working with you guys in within 2 minutes, just within 2 minutes, to show you how to create up a YouTube channel. And by name is of OSP Pro. I love to help people on how to create up YouTube channel and how to grow their business. And on the other way around, as I may be starting with you guys this video, I encourage you also to go to my YouTube channel. Go to my YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel. If this is your first time to watch my video, make sure you subscribe on my YouTube channel, because when you subscribe on my channel, I'll also subscribe on your channel. So I'm going to be helping you on how to create up a YouTube channel. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know before you get started on creating up a YouTube channel, make sure you go to Google and create up your own Gmail account. To create up a Gmail account is very simple. Just go into this live up just click on Gmail here if you can't click on Gmail, or you can just go here and search for Gmail, create Gmail on how to create a Gmail account, or just go there to create a Gmail. Now I don't want to go there because it's going to take you to my Gmail account, but this is it. As you're in Google, straight, the first thing is this. As you go to Google, just come in and say maybe creating Gmail account. Just do like that. It's simple. Create Gmail account. That will definitely take you to the creating Gmail account page, which will be in a position to create up your Gmail account. Is it okay? Now that one there, it's very self-explanatory. Just go there and click on this very first one up, or you can click even this second one. So when you click on here on creating up a Gmail account, it's going to walk with you on the steps on how you can get started on creating up your Gmail account. Now on the other way around, for you guys who already have an account, is good. So you definitely go down here where they say create. So when you go down here on create, you just need to click there on create. It's going to give you a chance to create up your own Gmail account, which will take you straight to the sign up page, and there you'll get a chance to create up your own personal Gmail account. Now this is it. Just going to give your names here, blah blah, things like that, and all of those stuffs are going to be done. Is it okay? Within a period of short time, you'll be having all those scenarios or all those stuffs created. So you just need to come in here, give the name, your first name, last name, and definitely when you try to give here your name and your last name here, and then you go here and email, they'll give you suggestions down. Like for instance, if I write like that and I come here on password, here down they are going to give you suggestions, or you can just write this one and go down and put it here. Then you come and give your passwords here. If you can write your password there, you give your password and make sure you match, your passwords are matching. You can even get a chance to make sure you cross check on what you have typed, whether they are the same things. Make sure what you have given here and what you have given here are the same, they look alike. Then on the other way around, after doing that one, you'll just click next. Now there they'll give you an option on how your Gmail is going to look like, or otherwise you can write your own personal how you want it to be like. And if at all what you're trying to write is already existing, they'll give you an option on which type of other Gmail you can actually definitely use. Now on the other way around, after doing all those scenarios, you'll be having a chance to have any Gmail account just like mine. Now I'm not going to take a lot of time on showing all those scenarios. Now my point is going to YouTube. If at all you already have a Gmail account, make sure you log into your Gmail account. How do you log into your Gmail account? Just normal. As long as you have the Gmail account, when you type maybe login, just go to your browser and type gmail.com. This will definitely log into your Gmail account. And if you can log into your Gmail account like this, it implies you already logged into Gmail account. Now on the other way around, how do I start using YouTube with it? So what you'll do here, you'll just go to YouTube, definitely like that. Just direct yourself to YouTube. When you direct yourself to YouTube, you'll be seeing a button this side down here where they say create YouTube channel or create YouTube account. You'll be seeing your icon here, and when you click there, you'll have something called, instead of saying your channel, you will see something called create YouTube channel. Instead of saying your channel, you're seeing here something called your channel, is because I already have a YouTube channel. Is it okay? Now for you don't have YouTube channel, so what will you see? Instead of your channel, you'll be seeing something there called create YouTube channel, and what you're going to do, just click next. Just continue with it, and when you click next, definitely you'll be in a position to have a YouTube channel just after that click. So my friends, otherwise, if you find this video interesting to you and you find it helpful for you, if it has really helped you, I advise you, please members, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. So this is it. This is my YouTube channel. So you can also go in and give me support and make sure you subscribe on my channel. So otherwise, guys, stay safe and hope you love the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Love you all. Thank you.